We spend so much energy worrying about the carbs in our bread or the sugar in our drinks, but we completely ignore the most powerful tool in our pantry. Our condiments. Most toppings, ketchup, sweet relish, barbecue sauce, are hidden sugar bombs that spike your inflammation. Today, I'm showing my proactive onion protocol, and this isn't just about flavor, it's a simple system designed to support a balanced glucose response, deliver high dose antioxidants, and help lower the glycemic impact of the meal you're eating. Let's make your food work for you. We aren't just tossing things in a jar here. Every ingredient has a specific job for your body. First, red onion. We use red specifically because they are packed with cortisone. This is a potent flavonoid that helps support a healthy inflammatory response and your immune system. It's like a broom for your cells. Next, cinnamon sticks. We don't use powder. We want a slow release. And cinnamon is fantastic for supporting how your body handles carbohydrates, helping you avoid that energy crash later. The heavy lifter, unseasoned rice vinegar. The acetic acid here is the key. Research suggests that consuming vinegar with a starch can help smooth out your body's glucose response to the meal. Kind of puts the brakes on digestion. We've got Himalaya sea salts for trace minerals and oregano for gut support. Finally, raw honey to balance the acidity and add natural enzymes and antioxidants. It's not processed like refined sugar and it has a delicious floral taste. The process is simple, but temperature matters. We're doing a warm infusion and not a boil. Warm your vinegar and spices just until the salt dissolves. Pour the warm brine over your onions. This softens them just enough to let the vinegar penetrate, but keeps the satisfying crunch. Next, add the raw honey after you remove the infusion from the heat, as not to kill the enzymes in the honey. I use about 3 tablespoons. The vinegar and fiber buffer the honey. It turns a potential sugar spike into a slow, steady fuel release. Let's set this on the counter until cool and then into the fridge. In just 24 hours, they turn this beautiful neon pink and are fully potent. I use these on everything: hummus, avocado toast, veggies, pasta. You get the crunch and the flavor and the metabolic support to handle your carbs better. It's a small swap that makes a big difference. And I'll see you in the next one.